It's your Agent Bev here at 638 Sierra Madre Boulevard, hosting an open house today. I wanted to talk about one of the main features in this home. It has an elevator, so I'm ready to check this out. Walking in backwards in the elevator. Okay, so we gotta close this. Let's see. Shutting this down. Okay, let's press the button here. And we're moving on up to the second floor. It's pretty cool. Okay, so let's see how this works here. Gotta open this. Open the door. And voila. We are on the second floor.